Say goodbye to bug bites. Tips for a bite-free vacation. Vacation time is a great opportunity to get away from the hustle and bustle of everyday life and enjoy some quality time with friends and family. Whether you're planning a beach vacation, a camping trip, or just a relaxing staycation, it's important to be prepared for the inevitable bug bites that come with spending time outdoors. In this video, we'll go over some effective ways to deal with bug bites so you can enjoy your vacation without the itch and discomfort. 1. Use insect repellent. The most effective way to prevent bug bites is to use an insect repellent that contains DEET, picaridin, or oil of lemon eucalyptus. These ingredients have been proven to be effective in repelling mosquitoes, ticks, and other pesky bugs. Be sure to follow the instructions on the label and apply the repellent to exposed skin and clothing. 2. Wear protective clothing. Long sleeves and pants, as well as closed-toe shoes, can help protect your skin from bug bites. Light-colored clothing can also help, as bugs are attracted to dark colors. 3. Keep windows and doors closed. If you're staying in a cabin or cottage, make sure to keep windows and doors closed to prevent bugs from entering. Use screens or air conditioning to keep the indoor air cool and comfortable. 4. Avoid being outdoors during peak bug hours. Bugs are most active during the early morning and late afternoon, so try to plan your outdoor activities for other times of the day. 5. Use a natural bug repellent. If you prefer a more natural approach, there are several essential oils that have been shown to be effective in repelling bugs, including citronella, lemongrass, and peppermint. You can make your own bug repellent by mixing a few drops of these oils with water in a spray bottle. 6. Treat bug bites with an over-the-counter cream or lotion. If you do get bitten, there are several over-the-counter creams and lotions that can help relieve the itch and discomfort. Products containing hydrocortisone or calamine lotion are particularly effective. 7. Apply a cold compress. A cold compress can help to reduce swelling and itchiness caused by bug bites. Simply wrap a few ice cubes in a towel and apply to the affected area for a few minutes. By following these tips, you can enjoy your vacation without worrying about the discomfort of bug bites. Remember to pack insect repellent, wear protective clothing, keep windows and doors closed, avoid being outdoors during peak bug hours, and treat any bites you do get with an over-the-counter cream or lotion. With a little preparation, you can have a great time and make the most of your vacation.